Okay, today I'm replacing this electric hot water heater element. It's a Rheem. Go ahead, focus. Yeah, so I'm replacing the element today. I already opened this cap. It has two screws in it. I opened one, flipped it around. It was leaking, the water was leaking right through the element. So I'm just going to replace the element and see if I could seal it back off. You know, it has two wires on there. Make sure to shut the breakers off. I shut my breakers off over there already. And shut the water off. That red lever up there, that was my water shut off. I shut the water off. And now I already drained the tank. You just need a flathead and a hose, but I didn't use a hose today because I have a drain close by where the water runs to. So you need to put a hose on this and run it outside or run it in a bucket and get the water out or as much of it as possible below the level of where the element is before you go ahead and pull it. I went to Home Depot and I got this tool that removes the element. It's a really simple tool. It was like $8 in Home Depot, and you use this with the aid of a screwdriver through these holes right here. It's pretty simple. You put it over here on this. I'm back. I was kind of interrupted there by an inspector guy inspecting the pool. You can see him out there. He's inspecting the pool. Came and asked me a bunch of questions I ain't got the answers to. So as I was saying, it's real simple. You put this on here. Wait, I'm doing with this with one hand. You gotta have a screwdriver to push through the hole. So I'm gonna try to see if I could do this with one hand so you can see. It's pretty simple. Put this on here. You hold this as a handle, the screwdriver, and as soon as you get it freed, I got it freed up now. You know, you could probably just take it out with your hand. See, it's coming out pretty easy. It was leaking water through here, and as you can see, this is rotted out, and the water was coming through there because the whole thing rotted out. Water was pouring through, coming through the back. So this is no good. All right. And now we got the new one right here. This is a brand new one. Nice. Got the gasket on there, and I'm gonna slide it in the hole. You don't really need anything to slide it in, no. The gasket is good enough. So slide it in the hole, and you know, tighten it by hand before you use the tool. This is a little tricky because it's weighted badly. Let me cut this off and I'll come back to you. Just got it in. Tighten it real good. There's no leaks. I got the water line back on. As you can see up there, there's water going in there. I'm gonna go in the bathroom and open the hot water side to let the ear out the line. So far it looks good. I didn't turn the breaker on yet. I needed to fill up with some more water so I don't burn the element out. Let me go let the ear out the line. Hot side. Yeah, let's turn the hot side on. Let all the air out the line, and let me see if all the pipes, all the pipes are on. Let me check it. No, it was off. Okay, gotta turn this on. Alright, gotta let all the air out the line. Just check the women's bathroom. Letting all the air out the line. You let the air out the line, that will help the tank fill up all the way. You hear that? That's the air in the line. So you gotta make sure you do that. When you see it start running steadily, no air, then you know you're good to go. Might take a little while, a couple minutes probably. That's a small tank, so it shouldn't be that long. Here we go. See that? Now all the air is let out. You flush the system, and your tank should be filled with water right now. So shut this off. And go back around here and shut this one off, and then I'll go around here and I could turn the breaker on so I can start heating the water up. Turn the breaker on.